Okay, we're ready to test again. So here we go. Pluto. Sunroof. Custom speakers. And no for the convertible. And we get the right answer, 21,799.96. And we say $400 message coming out. Second test is for asteroid. And yes for sunroof. No for leather seats, and a no for custom speakers and retractable child seat, and a yes though for convertibles, so that we get the convertibles not come with sunroof message. That having been tested, so in other words, the things that were working before are still working. That's good to find out. And then the third test is for pulsar. And yes for sunroof, no for leather seats, a yes, and a yes for the next two, and a no for convertible. And we get a price of, for a pulsar, 28,999.97. That's okay. And our final test is for asteroid again. And no for a sunroof. No for all of them, in fact. And we come out with a base price of $19,000 for the asteroid, which is correct. So, now that we've got this, we might as well copy it, paste it to the screen. Again, the process for doing that is to hold down while this window has focus, which it does since we've been using it. Hold down the Alt key and press the print screen key. Then nothing happens on this screen, but if you go to the Word document and bring that back up, I'm going to have to bring this down before I can do that. So bring up the Word document and come down to captured output screen and find the cursor, place the cursor where you want it to be, and paste. We get the captured screen. We do not get the background, the desktop, and it's easier to read because it's now larger than it would be if you had captured the entire desktop. Alright, now the last thing to do would be the VBA code. That's pretty easy. We go back to lab form, code window, we go to the top, we start at warning. The reason I want you to start at warning at the very first line is that I want anything left out so that I can see what you've done. Okay? Just take everything there, right click, copy, and then go to your Word document and find the right location for it and paste. Okay, this is the document that you would then send in. It has the output list, input list, the pseudocode. It has the test plan. It has the VBA code, and it has the captured screen print of your test plan, and it also has the macro attached to this. Very important that the macro, this document, be the document that has the macro in it in case I need to look at the macro. Okay, one last thing that some people keep asking me about is how do I get the money to come out with dollars and dollar sign and so forth. So to do that, you go back into your code window for lab form, and for instance for total price here, there's a money function, and this is described in the VBA Explain Part 2. Just do a search for money and it will have it there. And you place what you want, the currency data variable name that you want to express as money. It has to be a currency data type. And use money on that, and then you'll get that to come out. So if we were to run the test now for the last one, asteroid, and then all of the other ones are no. You notice that it's now got a dollar sign, a comma, and it's written out this way. So if you want to do that, it's not a requirement this term, but some people like to be able to do that. Okay, this concludes this video.